Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah Nur Iman binti Muhammad Hanizal from RAS 1134B. Today we are going to present about the ocean and plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles such as plastic bottles, bags, and microbeads in the earth environments that adversely affect wildlife habitat, and humans. The world produces more than 300 billion tons of plastic every year, including billions of plastic bottles and 5 billion of plastic bags. By 2050, when the population exploded almost 10 billion people, it expected the plastic production will triple. The problem with that is today, only fraction of the plastic that we produce is recycled, and the rest ends up in our environment and is coating our lands and our ocean like a disease. Our ocean sustain life can feed 1 billion people a healthy meals every day, but now they are being killed by throwaway plastic. The equivalent of one garbage truck of plastic is dumped into the sea every minute is 17.6 billion pounds every year. Plastic is everywhere in our ocean, floating on the surface, mixing with salt water, and sitting on the ocean bottom mills and mills. As we all know, plastic contains some additive. That's why the plastic becomes stronger, more flexible, and durable. But many of these additives can extend the life of product, estimate ranging to at least 400 years to break down. Once the plastic in the ocean, it never goes away over hundreds of years. It breaks down into small pieces, but those pieces, even a tiny ones called microplastic, are still the plastics.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arisha Nur Farhani binti Muhammad Faizal from RAS 1134B. Today, I'm going to talk about the effect of plastic pollution on ocean. As we can see, that have three things that can be affected by the plastic pollution, which is environment, animals, and also human. For environment, the effect of plastic pollution is the area will become dirty. This is because plastic will not decompose easily even though hundreds of years has passed. When the beach area become dirty, then it will produce a stinky odor. Pests will also appear in the ocean area. As we know, pests bring many bad effects, especially on health. Next, we will look at the effect of plastic pollution on marine animals. Marine animals such as turtle, fish, jellyfish, and others will get choked by the plastic. This is because the marine animal will think that the plastic is their food. When they choke a plastic, it will cause them to die. The ecosystem will get affected too because too many animals die. Last but not least, plastic not give a bad effect only on environment and animals, but also on humans. This is because when humans eat food sourced from the sea, such as fish and squid that been contaminated by the plastic, it will adversely affect humans. For example, getting disease such as food poisoning. In addition, some will get skin disease. So that's all from me about the effect of plastic pollution on ocean.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amira Hasmi Sofia, I'm a teacher Parola, and I'm from RAS 1134B. I want to emphasize further about how to overcome the emissions and plastic pollution. There were 10 things that you need to do to help the ocean. First is you need to educate yourself because the more you know, the easier that you can do to help to save it and to inspire to do the same. The second one is you must try to eat sustainable seafood. Maybe it sounds like picky, but choosing to eat sustainable seafood is affect hundreds of marine species. Avoid products containing plastic microbeads by looking for polyethylenes and polypropylenes on the ingredients labels of your cosmetics products. The other three is participate in local elections, volunteer for local cleanup, and keeps the conversations open that can educate others. New materials are being developed to decrease the demand on plastic that may harm the oceans and also the world. First one is bioplastic, which are made from the natural materials. The second one is biodegradable plastic, which are broken down by the living organism. The last one is compostable plastic, designed to decompose in the composting facility.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurkhairunisa binti Johari from RAS 1134B. Today I will explain to you the conclusion of the ocean and plastic pollution. This expectation will certainly present greater challenge to community around the world and Malaysia in particular. In this context, the cooperation of all parties is necessary in mobilizing proactive effort toward reducing the use of plastic must be found truly and think carefully before choosing to use this material. If there are other alternatives to avoid the use of plastic, such as the use of container made of reusable glasses and stainless steel or more environmentally friendly container, then that is the right choice. At the very least, it can minimize some of the source of pollution and the use of plastic material. Good plastic waste management also need to be done more comprehensively, covering every level of industry, whether small, medium, and large industry. In addition, research activities on plastic pollution need to be mobilized more actively to identify more effective effort in reducing the use of plastic and explore more environmentally friendly alternatives. Malaysia, which ranks 8 in plastic pollution in the ocean, must vigorously educate the public about plastic pollution, including other environmental issues such as climate change, threat to biodiversity, and chemical pollution. Among the programs that can be implemented in school are through curriculum and co-curriculum activities. Teachers can be introduced WED and environmental issues, including plastic pollution, to students for 10 minutes before class begins. By not carelessly throwing plastic away and using other material when possible, we can help prevent ocean pollution increase. To stop discarded plastic being washed out to the sea by the rain, it's important to pick up rubbish left on the street. By not using disposable plastic items and picking up plastic garbage, that will help keep plastic out of the sea.